hide the bloopers. Ah, so close. That way. Ah, no! Why? Oh, man. In between my fingers. So. Ah! Okay, again. Okay, this is probably it. This is it. This is it. I believe it. I believe this is it. You're ready. No! No! How does Snoopy do it? Repeat it again until there are no pieces left on the ground. Ground! Ah! Ah! Okay. Level 2. Now this is a bit difficult.
You're adding now. Stop adding. Stop adding.
I just reacted. I just reacted.
Stick to your script, brother.
Hey, I'm an improviser.
No, don't improvise.
I'm like one of those Batman actors. What do you call that one there?
That's
Method
power
acting.
back. Come on, you're only level 2.
Okay. Okay. Level 2. Rolling matters here.
Why?
I don't know. It was in my head. And then we throw it up in the air again, grab everything, and as you notice, I catch it. No.